So nested directory is like you can call the folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Folder 1 you created, and in the folder 1 you go into folder 1, you create a folder 2. And you go into the folder 2, then you create a folder 3. Okay, that's called the nested directory. So 3 is under 2. 2 is under 1. That's it. Let's do this. Why you do this? Again, organizing your work. I like to do that. Otherwise, all the folders and directory will be like a download folder. Means everything is there. So it's all about the organization. Let's do it. Okay,
Yes,
just
right
create.
now,
Yep.
yes, right now there's a Asia folder. So let me go to the Asia folder.
We're going different. I'm not going to follow that.
Okay,
So
okay,
just type MKDIR
okay.
Dhaka. Go to the Dhaka, CD Dhaka, and the MKDIR. You can call the Romna Thana. So you guys will understand very easily. Okay, and go to the Romna. And just the PG hospital. Just type the MKDIR PG hospital.
PIG hospital.
Hospital, like the burden. Just put the burden. BIRDEM, I guess. Yeah, hospital, yeah. And then they give a name. So you see this? So simple. Means you are in the, so this hospital is in the Ramnatana, and Ramnatana is part of the Dhaka city. Simple as this. So that's how you do this. That's exactly the use case of the nested directory. Simple. So it's all you. Whenever you need to organize your work, that's how you do this. Done. And I like to do this way so that I can actually exactly organize my work. And when you work with the leaders, they always like to see you work as organized as possible. That's it, done. Go back to the slide. So the whole purpose of this, you you create the parents and the child and the grandchild. You can go as many level as possible. It's all up to you. I just showed you the exact use case, right? So that's how you do this. If you do not do this, it's okay. But other people who work with you, they will know you are very messy. Means you don't know how to organize your work. Got it? Scroll down. Good. So now you go to each of the folder. You can go easily. Go back to that. Okay. So if you want to come up with the Dhaka now, you just type CD space ... So you came to from Ramna to Dhaka. So again, CD space ... So it means if you want to come up on one folder up in the window, you just click the up, and here is CD in change directory space ... means I'm going up. That's it. So that's how you come out. You can come out different way. He will show later. All right.